Hi and welcome back to the Polymer Clay channel. So today I'm going to show you how to do some Halloween crafts, and particularly a little keyring and a little magnet. Now I know I make little key rings and little magnets quite often, but this is going to be cool because it's got a Halloween theme. So without further ado, here we go. Thanks for watching this tutorial. So I'm going to show you what they look like now. I'm going to start with the pumpkin. So here he is. Now this is the show and tell part. The reason why I do this is so that you can see exactly how big something is, and sometimes it's a bit out of context and you can't really see exactly how big something is when the camera is down. So this is why I like doing this part here. So a little bit of a close-up. Sometimes my camera does have a tendency to zoom out and not focus, so just put my hand behind there. So the idea of a pumpkin is just literally to make it look really scary. So 2 triangles for the eyes, another triangle for the nose, and then a really jaggedy mouth. Now I don't know why, but I always struggle with the jaggedy mouth. I don't know, I just have to put bits in sometimes, or I cut too much out, but this one has turned out all right. And yeah, he does actually look a bit more menacing than I wanted him to, and for some reason I keep doing that with my pumpkins. Last year when I did a pumpkin video, I did a light, which I will link in the description just in case you did want to see that one, and I did make him really menacing looking. He was on a much bigger scale than this, absolutely massive. But I decided today that it would be a good chance to do something really miniature, particularly if you don't have a lot of clay to hand. So this is the pumpkin. So here is the keyring. To start off with, I thought I was going to make some earrings, and you know what, I thought I'm never going to make this cool pumpkin twice, so I thought, you know what, I'll just put it on a keyring, and he turned out really cool. So these have all the same pumpkin features as you'd expect: 2 triangle eyes, 1 triangle nose, and the really weird mouth. I wanted to have this to have a creepy effect, as you'd expect, so I popped some black inside all the holes that I cut out, and then I put him on a piece of cord. Now this cord was really thick, and I couldn't get it through the hole to start off with, so I had to make the hole a lot bigger, which I did with the Sculpey drilling tool. That is linked in my description if you wanted to check that out. Please, by all means, do so. They are absolutely brilliant, and I don't know what I would do without them, particularly if you're making lots of beads and things like that. It's so cool, because if you find that you've got a piece of wire or a piece of cord like this and it's just too big, you can't get it through, you can make the hole really neat and a lot bigger. So I used a particular knot for this one. Can I remember what it is? No, I can't, but the tutorial that I followed for this knot I will put also in the description, so you can follow the one that I used. And there's a basic knot at the bottom here, and then I just frayed out the bottom. I don't know why I did that, I've never done that before, but it's so cool. I didn't really want to cut it all off, so I mean at the minute it's frayed, I might trim it later on, but I really like that cool look, and it just all came about. And then to seal it, I used a lighter just to seal that off there, so it wouldn't come apart. So this is how you make some creepy, really miniature Halloween decorations with Polymer Clay. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Now I do, ooh, hello, it's not a very good start, is it? So that the cord can go through the floor. Through the floor.